Samsung is working on Android 15-based One UI 7.0, which will introduce new features, design enhancements, and various other updates. This new software will be available for 52 Galaxy smartphones and tablets. Recently, the company has expanded its testing to include the Galaxy A55, adding it to the list of devices undergoing trials. A new test firmware for the European version of the Galaxy A55, model number SM-A556B, has been found on Samsung servers via Lindy Renal 2. The firmware, version A556BXXU4BXGA, shows a change in the fourth letter of the build number from A in the current official firmware, A556BXS4AX-3, to B. If you're eagerly anticipating the One UI 7.0 beta update for your Galaxy phone, you may need to wait a bit longer. A recent rumor suggests that the beta program for One UI 7.0 might not be available soon. In a post on X, Ice Universe mentioned there are still no plans to launch One UI 7.0 beta in the near future. The source didn't provide specific dates, so it's unclear if this near future aligns with the timeline mentioned in our report last week. Galaxy phones that could get One UI 7.0, Android 15 beta: Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy A55, Galaxy A54, Galaxy A35. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared a list of some One UI 7.0 features on the Chinese microblogging site Weibo via Android Authority. According to the tipster, One UI 7.0 includes new app icons, a redesigned wallpaper interface, and a new control area at the bottom of the lock screen. Additionally, the lock screen shortcuts now appear to have larger icons. Leaked One UI 7.0 features list: new system application icons, new background interface, a new control area at the bottom of the lock screen, adjustment of shortcut icons size in the left and right corners of the lock screen. Pull-down shortcut bar and notification can be independent/merged. The pill-shaped UI element in the upper left corner notification bar can display more apps. Added interruptible animation and optimized app opening and closing animation curve. New battery icon and charging animation bar. New camera user interface. Added support for 5G SMS messages, new notification pop-up animations and closing animations. Added unlock animation. New button touch and page return animation. Added many new desktop widgets of various sizes. Added more lock screen widgets. Added large folders. It feels like new details about the One UI 7.0 update are coming out every day. At the start of the week, we heard about leaks related to the internet and clock apps in One UI 7.0. Then there was some disappointing news that beta testing for the update wouldn't start today. Now some new screenshots have been leaked, which makes the wait a bit more exciting. The image gallery shared by @Chun8888 shows two screenshots of the rumored One UI 7.0 update. These screenshots reveal some exciting UI changes, but the main highlight is a new battery charging status pop-up. Unlike the old plain text, this new feature looks like a widget, making it more visually appealing and easier to read. Additionally, there is a new charging bar located between the redesigned phone and camera lock screen icons. Lastly, the screenshots also reveal a preview of the new pill-shaped battery indicator in the upper right corner of the status bar. Following last week's leak of redesigned icons for some of Samsung's stock apps, a new leak from SmartPricks and X-user Chun8888 has unveiled additional One UI 7.0 design changes. The images display One UI 7.0's new quick panel design, featuring a more rounded UI design language. The quick panel is now divided into two sections: quick setting toggles and notifications. You can switch between these two pages by swiping right or left. Additionally, you have the option to hide the labels of the quick setting toggles. The new design appears to be an enhanced version of the quick panel introduced with One UI 6.0, rather than resembling iOS as some rumors had suggested. Samsung has updated the icons for several of its stock apps, including camera, clock, contacts, gallery, and weather. The icons for the phone and Samsung Internet apps have been slightly redesigned to feature a more three-dimensional look. Additionally, the section dividers in the Settings app now have more rounded corners. Samsung might release the first beta version of One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S24 series in the next few weeks. In the coming months, the One UI 7.0 beta program could expand to other high-end phones, including the Galaxy S23, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 6. The stable One UI 7.0 update could be rolled out to nearly all eligible Galaxy phones and tablets before the end of this year, with the remaining devices likely receiving the update in the first quarter of 2025. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.